In this question it is given that unit vector parallel to the resultant of vectors A vector and B vector is. So first we can find out what is the resultant of A vector and B vector. A vector is 4 I cap minus 3 j cap, and thus B vector is nothing but 8 I cap plus 8 j cap. We know that what do you mean by resultant? Resultant means nothing but vector addition. So A vector plus B vector is nothing but 12 I cap plus 5 j cap. And we required a vector, a unit vector parallel to this vector. So let's say this vector I am taking it as C vector. So if you require a unit vector, we know that unit vector is a vector divided by its magnitude. So we can write this as 12 I cap plus 5 j cap divided by what is the magnitude of this vector. So we can write magnitude of a vector is under root of its square of its component, that is 12 square plus 5 square. We know that this we are going to get it as nothing but 13. So we can write as 12 I cap plus 5 j cap divided by 13.